Hi, I'm Chef Asata Reid, and today we are going to take a look at creative ways to deliver nutritious and delicious snacks that are compliant with the Child and Adult Care Food Program reimbursement requirements. Our objectives today include examining how snacks are part of supporting overall nutrition for children and adults, encouraging more fruit and vegetable consumption through CACFP compliant snacks, reviewing the CACFP requirements and serving sizes for children and adults. Let's get started. The Child and Adult Care Food Program, or CACFP, is a federal program that provides reimbursements for nutritious meals and snacks to eligible children and adults who are enrolled for care at participating child care centers, daycare homes, and adult daycare centers. Centers and care sites offering meals and snacks through the CACFP play a critical role in supporting the wellness, health, and development of children, as well as supporting and maintaining the health and well-being of adults in care. Child care providers have a powerful opportunity to instill healthy habits in young children that serve as a foundation for healthy choices for a lifetime. And adult care providers can improve quality of life and health by offering nutritious and delicious meals and snacks. You can increase fruit and vegetable consumption and elevate the anticipation of snack time by enhancing the flavor and aroma as well as the visual appeal of your snacks. Review the tips and the Enhancing Meal Appeal video in this series to learn more about enhancing the flavor and the aroma of your dishes. So, what's the big deal about snacks? Snacks can be so much more than just juice and crackers. Consider snack time as an opportunity to put more nutrient-dense foods in front of the adults and children that you serve. Nutrient-dense foods include fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. While 100% fruit juice can count as a fruit serving, and crackers can count as a grain serving, reimbursable by the CACFP, there are more interesting ways and more satisfying ways to provide snacks that have more nutrition and more flavor. Remember that snacks should include 2 of the 5 components: milk, fruits, vegetables, grains, meat and meat alternatives, to be considered reimbursable. So get creative. Let's look at a few examples. Instead of juice and crackers, you could serve sugar snap peas with a low-fat dip and some string cheese, a blueberry smoothie, whole wheat crackers with milk, low-fat yogurt with fresh berries, or carrots with hummus and 100% juice. What other creative combinations can you think of? Keep in mind that fruits and vegetables can add a pop of color or interesting texture to your snack combinations. Use adjectives to describe your food in order to make it sound appealing. Think of sweet, juicy cantaloupe, or tart, crispy Granny Smith apples, combined with creamy cottage cheese, and some earthy whole wheat crackers. Relying on those descriptive words can help enhance the variety and flavor and interest of your snacks. Also, think outside of the box. How about some peanut butter pinwheels with apple slices and carrot sticks? I'll show you how. First, we're going to take a piece of whole wheat bread and trim off the crust. Next, we're going to take a rolling pin, and just roll that bread out flat. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of nut butter. We're using actually sunflower seed butter in this case. It's a lower allergen threat. Spread that across the bread. And give it a roll, nice and tight. Next, you want to take your knife and just slice it into little pinwheels like this. You You've got a nice little snack to go with apple slices, carrot sticks, and it's fun finger food. Instead of serving a boring side salad, how about a mini vegetable platter in a cup with low-fat herb yogurt dip? I'll show you how. After you watch the knife skills video, you should be chopping up vegetables like a pro. Let's put them to use by combining them with this herb yogurt dip. This is just Greek-style yogurt that we kicked up with a little dill, a little parsley, a little garlic powder, and some salt and pepper. Get some pretty see-through cups. Add your dip to the bottom. About 2 tablespoons is a serving. And then add your pretty vegetables. Today I've got some zucchini, some carrots, some yellow squash, and some red bell pepper. And I'll top it all off with these cute little cherry tomatoes. Just keep adding vegetables till your cup runneth over. These are some general guidelines to help get those creative juices flowing so that you can plan for more exciting and nutritious snacks for the children and adults that you serve. Of course, for a detailed breakdown of accredited snacks for the CACFP, refer to the crediting handbook for the CACFP. Also, be sure to talk with your CACFP sponsor for more specific guidelines. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.